I'm in a royally makeup mood today. Yes, with my VISEART Bijoux Royal. And as you all know, it is going to be a series. Again, VISEART Bijoux Royal series. And day 1 with 3 colors. These are the swatches. Isn't it gorgeous? I'm super excited to play with these colors as well. And this whole week, it'll be shimmery eye looks. Yes. And today, I'm going to pair this look with this lip color. Yes. So going to start with my lip color first, and then the gorgeous Bijoux Royal look. Yes. Coming up, I'm sure you want to know the name of the shade, right? Yes, in the description box. Please go through the description box and you will find it there. Okay? So let's get started. How was your weekend? All the shades are so gorgeous in this palette that I was in a fix. Yeah, finally I came up with 3 shades. Somehow these 3 shades catch my eyes first. So I thought of starting with those 3 shades. I'm still talking about the palette and applying my lip liner. So you can guess how excited I am to start with those wonderful shades. Gorgeous. This is the gem in my makeup collection, this palette. Yes, I am super excited to play with it the whole week. Yes, I hope you find it interesting too. Lip liner done. And next I'm going to start with my gorgeous lip color. Super luxurious. I just love this lip color and the feel of it, everything about it. I relish it, absolutely. How many of you could guess what shade I'm wearing on my lips today? Let me know on the comment section. And now my friends, I cannot wait anymore and I'm going to get started with this beautiful palette. Why do I love this palette so much? Because I just love all the shades in this palette and I love jewel toned shades. Yes, one shade can also give a beautiful party ready look. Yes, I feel that I'm always party ready with this palette. Okay, so let's get started now. Yeah. And I will keep talking while applying the shadows. I'm not going to use my brushes today at all. That's another specialty. So starting with this gorgeous purple pinky shade. Gorgeous. Look at that richness. Just one swipe. So there are a couple of reasons that make me come back over and over again to my Bijoux Royal. Of course, I love jewel toned eyeshadows. Absolutely gorgeous. I can work with these shadows even if I do not want to use my makeup brushes and I'm in a hurry and I want to pat 1 or 2 shades on my eyelids and still want a super gorgeous look. Purple is on. Next, love this shade too, and you will hear this. Love this shade throughout this Bijoux Royal series because I love all the shades here. Patting motion, dabbing the color and just gently pressing it, overlapping with that gorgeous purple pinky shade. Super happy already. You know, I'm always happy with colors. I feel like these colors melt into each other and give me a very seamless, gorgeous look. So a little bit of overlapping always make me happy here. How is your Monday going? Exciting, fun, colorful. Let's make it a little more fun with these colors, right? Okay, and now I'm going to use that beautiful yellow shade, gorgeous, dazzling, on the center of my lid. So little bit on the purple and little bit on the green. Today I want to wear these shades just like that. No dusting, no blending, just dabbing. Are you going to try this look? Alright my friends, look at that quick and easy, pretty look. And of course I'm going to use that beautiful purple on my lower lash line. If you want to use your makeup brushes, of course you can, you know that. But on my day one, I wanted to show you that these shadows can be used even if you do not want to use your makeup brushes. And a little bit of that beautiful dazzling yellow. If you like shimmers and if you like jewel toned eyeshadows, you will love it. Yeah, and that's it with the shadow work. And now I'm going to apply, I'll be right back. Alright my friends, I'm back with my liners and my mascara. And this is the final look. I hope you like it and I hope you try it, because this is going to be super exciting. Tomorrow I'll be here again with another beautiful, gorgeous, dazzling look, and I can't wait to share with all of you. So come back soon, try this look and let me know about your makeup experiences. Super quick, right? Rock the look. Enjoy playing with the colors. Bye!